All right. So we are looking at GBPUSD past price action. So I want us to start from here because I think last week, I don't know, we have a break of structure right here. We have a break of market structure right here last week. Is that last week or I don't know? But so now let's check what happened from this area back up. On higher time frame or 4 hours time frame, we have a break of market structure, which is this. We have this break of market structure, and we have a swing low, which is this. So we have the sweep from this low. We have a swing low. We don't have our swing high yet. There's a reason for that. I can't call this my swing high until I have what a take of this low. Until I see price rally out this low. Until price take out this low. So all right. So we have this swing low, and now me anticipating for my swing high to form my trading range. Okay, we have a take of this high, we have a sweep, price onto this high, and let's see if we are going to have a break. But at this point, there is a secret behind this weak rejection. Now, for me seeing this weak rejection, I think I'm going to look for a sell because this is a sweep and price reject with force. So I will look for lower time frame price action. I will check if I'm going to have a sell. All right, so I can see a short break on lower time frame, which is this area. So we have higher time frame sweep and break of market structure. So this has confirmed lower time frame range though, but not higher time frame range. So what I'll be waiting for now is my entry to be formed. So now this is not mentorship. I would have talked about this reliquidation, but that's not what I'm here to do. So now we have a break of market structure, and we have this liquidity, and we have this other block. So at all, a buy should start from here again, buy consolidation, because this is a strong low. So I'm expecting a buy from here using confirmation entry. But eventually, the price got there and what? Price take it out. So this has turned to my breaker block, and I'll be looking for a sell from this very place. All right, so I have my liquidity. I have no liquidity. So I'll be selling from here. Yeah, to take out this low. All right, so all right, we have a break of this low already. Then I'll have to move back to my higher time frame, which is yeah. So higher time frame has given me range confirmation. So from this very low to this higher high, now I can see I have my trading range. So I'll be anticipating for a bearish movement since it is a retracement. I'm coming lower to this particular low then to continue the trend. So I'm anticipating for price to sell massive. Sell massive. Okay, right here I have my point of interest right here. I have my point of interest right here. So let me refine this to lower time frame point of interest. $15 All right, 15 minutes. So I'm expecting price to come lower to this area and take out this sell side liquidity. This sell side liquidity. So I'm expecting price to take out this sell side liquidity. Everything here has sell side liquidity. I have a break of market structure here, but I know price is going to take it out. Yeah, this area. Okay, so I have higher time frame break already. So I'll be anticipating for what? I'll be anticipating for a very long sell. A very long sell. Then now since I have my higher time frame range, what I'll be doing now is to follow lower time frame order flow. To follow lower time frame order flow. Okay, let's continue. Continue. All right, I'm expecting price to react to this and give me buy confirmation. If I'll be buying, then I'll buy to this area. And if I don't have buy confirmation, then I'll continue the sale. So a buy confirmation is not given. So we have a flip, which is this area. This is my flip zone. So I have this point of interest. I have this point of interest. I'm expecting price to come back to. All right. So now I think I have a new range. Price reacted to this area, sweep this area, and after taking out this area, we have a break of market structure. So I think I have a new range. I have range high and waiting for my range low. This is my range low. This area. So I can literally what sell from here. I literally sell from here. All right. So my first TP will be this week low. Then the next TP will be the last low I'm targeting, which is this very low. All right. I still have another entry. This is another entry. This is liquidity. There's a reason why I'm not telling secrets behind all this. This is not a mentorship. This is just backtest. We are checking we are checking the past price action. So this is it. All right, so the reason for this is if price did not get to this area, like this area, because of this liquidity, I'll take this as my entry. But using this stop loss, I'm safe using the bolt entry. Now, okay, I have another break of market structure. Then I have a new trading range for sell continuation. Whenever I'm in a retracement leg, I don't look for any other trend until price gets to my point of interest for the pole trend. So right now I'm trading the soft structures, which is the counter trend. So now let me take out this to explain something here. All right, now we have a new range, which is we have this area, price to this area, and created it's broke structure. So I have my new range here. This high and this very low. It's very low. So where is my entry? I have this liquidity as my entry. There's secret behind this also. All right, so I'm anticipating for price to take out that liquidity, then continue the sell. All right, there's this sale I took last week. I forgot last week. I forgot to show you this. Yeah, this is sweep and a break of market structure, and this is liquidity. Yeah, I forgot to show you this. I picked this last week. Just remember it right now. So yeah. Still the same low. All right. So now let's see. We are in already. Now, for some brokers, this will not pick, and some brokers, this is going to pick. I did not do this properly. Coming, please. Yeah, this is it. So some brokers will not pick this unless you use this kind of other block entry and blah blah. But some broker will pick this. Yeah, some broker will pick this. For people that trade profile most, it depends on the profile broker you are using. Some broker will pick this. So now I think I have another entry here. Then targeting this group for my first TP and this last group as my final TP. It's confirmation for people that miss this kind of traders. Confirmation here for a sell continuation. We have liquidity, and also I'm still expecting price to come here. The reason why I stick to lower time frame order flow is because of I understand my price action, I understand my order flow. The lower time frame is going to give you a sweet risk to reward. Imagine 5, 5, 4, 7 like that. Higher time frame will give you 20 pips and up. So let's continue. Now I have a break. Price is not coming here, so this place won't be valid anymore. Now at this particular point, there's something here. I will not be trapped here. Now looking at this price action, you just have single price action like this. Price has been forming highs and lows and lows like this. It is not forming multiple internal structures. But here we have this clearer view, and we have different type of structures here. We have series of highs and lows here inside this internal structure. So we have that high and low. So at this point, I'll be very, very careful. So I need to check what higher time frame structure is doing. I need to check what higher time frame structure is doing. All right, here we have this we have this break of market structure. We have this break, and we have this sweep. We have this break of market structure, and we have this sweep, which means this guy, my strong high, and I have liquidity right here. So this high, and this is my inducement liquidity. So I expected price to take out this place. So I have a range high, I don't have a range low. I have another break of market structure. This is liquidity. So and we can see on lower time frame that this is equal high. So we have different type of structures here. What they are forming here is just liquidity. They are engaging liquidity. They are building liquidity. So someone needs to be very, very careful at this point. Everything here I just trap. Everything here I trap. So right here, I want to be among the people that will take out traders. So this will be my entry. This is going to be my entry, and let me see if we are going to have a swing low. All right. So okay, I have a swing low. Not yet. Until I see this eye was broken. All right. So now I have a swing low. I have this sweep and this break of market structure. What I just need is I need inducement to make this place valid so that I can buy, and I have my point of interest already. What I'm looking for now is liquidity. All right. So this will start as liquidity to make that zone valid. It will still stand as liquidity. So this low, my inducement liquidity, then I'm looking for a buy to take out all these liquidities. So I'm looking for a buy actually to take out everything here, but I won't go far. I'll target here. So the reason why I'm not looking for a long buy is because price has not gotten to my main point of interest. So now let's see. All right. Now, so I'm waiting for price to get to this place before I look for any other sell. All right, we are in already. There's a confirmation around this place for people that know how to check their confirmation entry. So now price has gotten to my final TP, which is the sell side liquidity. So at this point, I'll be very, very careful. I won't bother myself to take any trade. The reason is price can decide to do something like this, give you different type of conference and go up. So if you are still looking for sell, you'll be trapped. And if you are good in your strategy, you can look for sell. But as for me, once I've taken out this final TP, I'll patiently wait for price to get to my main point of interest before I do any other thing. So right now, I'll patiently wait for price to get to my point of interest before I move. Yeah, if I'm meant to take all this trade, there's confirmation here, there's entry here, but I won't. So now, price has gotten to my main point of interest. This is a weak what? This is a weak high where I expect what? I expect price to take this place out. This is a weak high. This is a weak high. So I expect price to take out this high. And everything here, every sell point of interest here that did not mitigate before price moves to the main point of interest what? Return to liquidity. So I'll not be looking for any sell opportunity. All right, here I have this sweep and a break of market structure. So this is my liquidity right here. So at this point, I'm going to what? I'm going to take my buy TP from here. I'm going to take my buy TP from here. Then after price, if price should break this high or give me any buy confluence, then I'll be going higher to this place. Well, fine, I know I'm going higher. So now let's check out we got our entry from. So now let's see. I have my range, this range here. I have my range and this high. I have my range to this low. To this low. So I have a new range. So and I have liquidity around this high. So if I'll be buying first, my first take profits will be here before I even target any other liquidity, any other area. So right here, I have this sweep. I have this sweep. I have this sweep and I have this break of market structure. All right, but I won't take trade yet until I seal the conference I did use to take trade. All right, that conference gives me more confidence to risk high. All right, so right here I have break of market structure. I have a sweep, and I have this liquidity. So this liquidity has protected this low from being taken out. So this is going to be my entry. Saves. This is a saver stop loss. If you want to risk, this is a risk stop loss. Right? I prefer using a saver stop loss. All right. So let's check final TP for now. Okay. Now, me analyzing this area. What can I see here? I have this sweep, this break, and this liquidity. This liquidity right here. So price reacted to this point of interest zone and created a flip for me, which is this area. But I'm looking for liquidity. I need liquidity that will make this flip more valid for me to use. Trading on that flow. I won't look for sell until price take out this high and give me a sell confirmation. So trading on that flow, I don't need price to come lower to this place. I just need to start following the price action. Then if I have visual break, price should come lower to another unmitigated area. So here is my flip. I just need liquidity, and I think I have already. So now this is going to be my entry. Still targeting the same high, not going higher because I have a range. Price can decide to sweep this place and give sell confirmation and continue selling. So I have a range, and let's see. Now we are in already. We have a break of market structure, and this low will be taken out again. Now let me just say the secret behind this. The secret behind this low that will be taken out is that this low failed to take out this high before breaking a swing low. So this low will be taken out. Still having the same buy from here. Some will call it RTO, return to order block. So now let's see. I'm not going higher. I'm still targeting this place because I have my point of interest right here, and this place can push price back down. So let's see. You can see our price took out the low and moves our direction. So now we have what I'll be looking for is if I'll be having a sell confirmation from this area. And if I don't have a sell confirmation, then the buy continues. All right. Now there's something I want to say here. Now this is a single leg. This area is a single leg. And what did I mean by single leg? It's something like this. You guys might be saying like it's higher high or higher low, something like that. You can be seeing like this low. This is just a single low. This is just a single low. Now, why did I call it a single low? This failed to take out this area. This did not take out any low. So it is just a single low like this. So we have something like this. This is another low. Why did I call this place another low? This eventually took out a low before breaking structure. This place took out a low, then broke structure. So this is another low. So we have one low here, we have another low here. And now this is going to be my liquidity for this point of interest. So continue the buy. Now, why did I not take this here from here? This reaction price is giving me shows that this area will be taken out. That's number one. And number two is this liquidity, this low has prevented this area from being taken out. So that gives me more confidence of what? Of still buying. And where will I be buying to? This liquidity. All right, so now I think we have another. Yes, we have a major break of market structure, which is this one. This range has been broken already, so now we confirm a long buy. This range has been broken already. We are confirming long buy. So at this point, I can see a flip entry. We have this flip. We have this sweep and break of market structure. So price brackets will be something here. So we have this flip entry. Let me mark it properly on 15 minutes. So we have this flip entry, but I need liquidity to make it valid. I need liquidity to make it valid. So five pips. 5 pips. All right, this is okay. So I have the liquidity already. And I'm still going higher. I'm still aiming higher. Note that we are still going to this area. We are still targeting this very high. Fine, I know this price is meant to react to here before getting to this low. So immediately we have this break of market structure on higher time frame. What I expected is price should just come back here before the sell, but price left this place. So it is still going to fail. It is still going to fail. So, but I know it will still give me another opportunity later, which is the reclaim candle. So now let's continue. All right. Going to this eye. Going to this eye. All right. For continuation, order flow. I have this sweep. And I have this is a strong low already for breaking structure, but I want this side to be taken out to confirm a major VMS to continue the trend. And I have liquidity already, which is this. So let's see if I'm going to have a break of market structure. All right, I have a break. So this is another buy continuation entry. Another buy continuation entry. All right, still targeting this high. Hope you are calculating the pips. All right. So let's continue. You can see that still targeting the same high. Then now target it. So here, if I have a sell confirmation, price reacted to this point of interest already, this unmitigated week. If you check my previous backtest on EU, you will know the secret behind this point of interest that I'm marking. All right, so now I need a clearer structure that will give me a sell confirmation, so that confirmation will give me a clearer view to sell. So what did I need is lower high or higher low, something like sweep, a clearer structure, not just a single leg structure. I need a clearer structure, like something like this. Immediately price got here, maybe price should come back and take out this high, create a low and give me VMS. So I need a sweep and a break of market structure, then liquidity to make this area valid. So that's what I'm waiting for to continue the trend. So right here, what price is doing here is not encouraging at all. So price already broke this level. For price to come back here, These are already what it has already filled. Price does not give a good structure. This is just a single leg. So, which means this area we have a break of market structure here. What price is here is to what price build liquidity here to prevent the point of interest we have here. Price build liquidity here to prevent the point of interest we have here. So, as for me, I'll be buying from here. As for me, I'll be buying from here. And then now I can aim higher to that very high, the weak high. This is the new range I have here that can cause a sell retracement, but the range has already what it has already filled. So there's nothing here again that will push this price back down to sell. And this place filled already because these are just what intermediate structures. So all the points of interest here we fill because these are what substructures. A retracement. Now we have the pole trend already. This is just a counter trend. So let's see. Now, as for me, if you have been following me for a very long time, you know what I do. My entry model is liquidity. I don't use point of interest. I don't use other block as entry model most time. Once I have my liquidity, I set my entry as my liquidity. So this liquidity is my entry. If I'm meant to even mark it out, I'll mark this Quasimodo area as my entry. But most time I use liquidity as my entry. So this liquidity is my entry, and the very yeah, this was CPI news. Now we have another break of market structure. Can you see how we got our entry from this very place to this high? Now, there's a reason behind this. Some people will be like, how is this possible? Yeah, it is possible if you know your range and if you are not the kind of trader that chase trade, that trade counter when you are meant to trade pro. So this is it. I know this is a retracement sale, so I don't need many reasons to look for buy. The reason why I picked buy here was because this area we have liquidity that price is meant to take out, and it has given me a strong structure for a retracement. So that was the reason why I picked a buy right here. And why buying? I don't look for sell. I don't have any reason to be looking for sell, since I know my trend. So the trend is buy. So all I just have to do is look for buy entries, buy entries, buy entries. So all right, now we have a break of this structure. We have a break of this structure. So now me going back to what higher time frame. Once I have a break of higher time frame trend, I have a break. Then I'll be expecting for what? I'll be anticipating for a retracement. So I have this break already. So what I'm anticipating for now is a retracement. Note this area now. You can see price broke this place, this candle. It is meant to hold price as a breaker block, but price got there and rallied out. So it's filled already. This candle filled already. So this candle that filled, return to my what? Reclaim block. If you know the meaning of reclaim block. So right here, I'll be anticipating for price to give me a buy point of buy move from here, because one, this is another block that filled. This other block that filled should turn to what? A breaker. If it doesn't turn to flip, it should turn to a breaker. Now, it's failed as it was as another block. Now it's also failed as a breaker, so it is going to turn to what? To a reclaim. So everything I'll be doing here is wait for price to get here, to get to this candle before I buy. So now let me see if I'm going to have a range high for a sell retracement. So let's see. The reason why I'm not breaking it down more is this is just a backtest section. If I'm going to talk about market structure and post, I'll talk about it. If I'm meant to talk about order block and post, I'll talk about it and post it. But this is just a backtest section. All right, I think I have a liquidity here. I want price to take out. Everything I do is liquidity. Everything I look for in the market is liquidity. All right, okay, let's check what price did here. Price did not take out the liquidity. Now let me check lower time frame. All right, I've seen something. Price reacted to a point of interest right here, and now let's give the reason behind this sell. Let's give reason behind the sales. All right, I think this is a low. From this high to this, okay, we have a sweep, a break of market structure. So price is meant to buy from here though. Now I'll be waiting for a good conference to take a sell. All right, now we have this sweep and this break of market structure. I have a swing high. So I was expecting for a sell retracement, just short sell retracement. Okay, so now I have this breaker. I need liquidity to engage in. If price is not giving liquidity, I will not be taking this. All right. Okay. Now, price reacted to it already. But the kind of strategy I use, I won't take this. So let's check. We have another break of market structure, and we have a new breaker block. Do we have liquidity? Yes, I have liquidity. We have this breaker block. So I have liquidity, yes. And this is my liquidity. And I have this point of interest right here. There's a reason for me marking this area. This is a week. You can go back to my YouTube channel to watch the backtesting section, the one I did 5 months ago. So you understand the secret behind this. So if I'll be selling, I will sell lower to this place yet. I will just target this area. And now let's check. All right, 25 pips is enough. Okay, let's see. Price got here without what's mitigating me, though. But I am still holding my limit until. Okay. Now the reason why I hold my limit is because price created liquidity. So that liquidity is giving me more confidence. I'll still even sell to here to take out this low. If I'll be buying sell to take out this low before I have another buy confirmation. So now we have what? We have a break of this low. So this place eventually created a flip entry. So the flip has what? A breaker. I need liquidity to engage in also if I'll be selling. This is a breaker block. Let me check my 5 minutes. Yeah, that's a breaker block. So I need liquidity to engage in, and I think I have liquidity already. So now I can target this low. This is a strong high. Why is it a strong high? It sweeps something before breaking structure. So I'll be selling from here from this breaker to this area. I think I have liquidity here 1 minute time frame. So let me just wait see. All right, let's see. Price field what to trigger me. I still I'll still hold this place because I'm anticipating for price to make use of the breaker. There's nothing price use here for retracing. So this breaker will still what? Will still be valid. Yeah, it's still be valid. So all right. So now we have a clearer liquidity that will prevent this place. I just need a low, a swing low. I have a swing high already, which is this high, and I need a swing low. I don't have a swing low yet. So let me just anticipate for my swing low. All right. Price have gotten to my point of interest. But I'm still within this range. I'm not buying higher until I see this range broken. So now, what did I need is to confirm my swing low before buying. All right, so I'm still waiting for my swing low. Okay, found it already. Now I have this area as my sweep and the break of market structure here. So I just need liquidity to make use of my entry. If I don't have liquidity, I'm not taking this buy, but I have this point of interest already. So I need liquidity. I need liquidity. I have the liquidity already. This has prevented this area from being was taken out. So I'll be buying to take out this liquidity, then sell to take out this low again. I posted this on my status on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday. So I'm still anticipating for this sale. And we take out this. Okay, so now for continuation, price makes use of this breaker block. This breaker block. Now price has mitigated was the breaker, this entry. And now where are we going to? We are going to this low. 79 pips. So let's see. So let's see. Now price already took out the what? The low. Price took out the low, but with a sweep, not a body break. We don't have a break of market structure. So we don't have a break of market structure. We don't have a break. And we are still within this what? This reclaim area. So we have a sweep of this low. Now, which means everything here will be taken out. Everything here. We are still within this area. Don't forget, we are still within this reclaim area. I only took the sell because of this range. This range, using range. So now this area, I'm expecting price to take out everything here. Don't know about this, but I am anticipating for price to take out this previous high. So now, how do I get my entry? We have this sweep. we have this sweep and a break of market structure. Did I have liquidity? Yes, I have. This is a single leg. So this is going to be my what entry. This liquidity is going to be my entry for the buy point of interest. This is going to be my entry for the buy point of interest. Now, where am I going to? I'm not going higher to this area. Fine, I want price to take out this liquidity. But on the saver side, just to be on the saver side, I want price to get here. Price has reacted to this zone, right? So this is not valid anymore. Everything here has been used. So now I am anticipating for price to what? To take out this and this. But first, final TP here. So let's see. Triggered and now for continuation trend. This happened on Friday. Is it on Friday? Yeah, on Friday. For continuation trend, trading order flow, we need price to take out this high. So we just need the narrow point of interest now. We'll be using to continue the trend. So we have this area, this Quasimodo area to continue the buy journey. All right, we have this area to continue the buy journey. And now let's see. I hope you guys are learning. Okay. All right. So is that all? Wow. So that's all for the week. That's all for the week. You can see how we got our entry from this area back up, and let me see this image for you guys in case you need it. Let me see for you guys in case you need it. And okay, so now you can see the nice P we have on GU since November 6th towards to November 19th. We have a very nice price action from November 6th to November 19th. So that's all. Now I guess you learned something here. You can see I did not take counter trend. Like when I'm meant to sell, I did not look for buy. I did not force trade. I'm only anticipating for price to give me the confidence I needed to pick my trades. Now, when I'm buying, I don't even bother to look for sell unless I see my correct range. And you can see I've been using it from here. So if you are following me up on my status, you'll see everything I work with, range and liquidity. So that's all for this back testing. I'm going to end this now. So if you, I'm going to stop sharing and stop the recording. So if you have questions, I will just allow just 5 people, just 5 only, to ask me question. So hold on, let me cancel this. Let me stop the recording.